The primary function of a tire repair kit is to help you mend a flat tire as quickly and easily as possible. There are different types of tire repair kits on the market. Selecting the best tire repair kit among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best tire repair kits in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective tire repair kit available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate a tire repair kit from good to great, such as its features and capabilities. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit. BETOOLL is an excellent option that is really popular when it comes to automobile accessories and tools. Therefore, you will have no trouble locating at BETOOLL any tool or repair kit that you will require for your automobile. This kit contains 24 individual components, some of which are pictured here: a T-handle insert tool. It also equipped with a T-handle spiral probe tool, a 4-way valve stem tool, 2 individual plastic valve caps, and 15 individual self-vulcanizing repair plugs. Because of the straightforward construction and user-friendliness of the included components, the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit can be classified as one of the plug-and-play varieties of tire repair kits. The BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit is now suitable for use with a wide variety of vehicles, including automobiles, Jeeps, trucks, SUVs, all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, motorcycles, tractors, and lawnmowers, amongst others. It is simple to fix any tubeless tire holes whenever and wherever they occur thanks to its T-handle, which is constructed out of robust steel, offers more steering strength to enter the tire, and makes the device more useful. Number 2. AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit. Since we're talking about the best product, let's talk about AUTOWN. This brand is also popular with car fans because its tools and accessories are very reliable. The AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit is also one of the heavy-duty options on our list. It has 68 pieces, which is pretty good for this price. The tools in this set are very reliable because they are made of high-quality steel that has been polished. Various parts make the kit suitable for use on all types of cars since it is composed of several different components. And because it is so strong, it can easily break through even the thickest tires on the market. The portable storage case of the AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit makes it easy to use the kit while you are traveling. AUTOWN upgraded tire patch kits meet strict audit standards and can fix even the toughest tires on the market. It can fix cars, motorcycles, ATVs, tractors, lawnmowers, RVs, Jeeps, trucks, and more. This kit has everything you need to fix a tire quickly. With this kit's T-handle and spiral probe tool, you can easily poke holes in any tire you need to fix. The case for carrying it around takes up very little space. This tire puncture repair set has great adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption. It also has a long shelf life and can handle even the toughest repairs. Number 3. ARB Tire Repair Kit. To acquire a dependable tire repair kit, a large number of consumers choose ARB 100000011 Speedy Seal 2. The ARB 100000011 Speedy Seal 2 is the highest quality option available. This tire repair kit is universally compatible and of superior quality. The carrying case included with this kit is constructed from the same premium materials as the rest of the included items. The ARB 100000011 Speedy Seal 2 includes 40 repair cords, allowing you to utilize the repair kit for an extended period of time without purchasing more cords. It comes with a durable, high-visibility plastic case. It features a unique pencil-style gauge that is uncommon among alternatives. In addition to the standard repair cords, you will also receive 30 self-vulcanizing repair cables to complete the set. This device comes packed with a premium spring steel insertion needle with a cast handle, a hardened steel reamer tool, and a dual chuck pencil-type tire gauge to make checking tire pressures a breeze. In addition, it includes insertion and reamer tools, needle nose pliers, lubricant, additional valve accessories, and 30 self-vulcanizing repair cords. Small travel cars, universal fitting, fits into ARB roller drawers neatly. Number 4. Handfly Tire Repair Kit. With 34 pieces, including plug flats, the Handfly Tire Repair Kit is also a good choice for basic repairs and small holes. This kit comes with one zinc alloy T-handle insert tool, one zinc alloy T-handle spiral tool, 20 units of 4 inches self-vulcanizing plugs, one L-type hex tools, one lubrication tube, one knife, one compact crowbar, and a few more useful tools. All of the pieces in this set are of the highest quality, which makes it hard to break. Also, the Handfly tire repair kit is made in a way that meets the standards for tire repair kits as a whole. Handfly also backs up its products with a warranty that lets you get a full refund or a new one. Its T-handle is stronger and harder to break than other materials. The sturdy T-handle is made of heavy steel, gives you more turning power, and feels great in your hand. This kit also equips you with a pencil gauge that can be used to measure and keep the tire's air pressure level at a safe level after tire repair work. This patch kit is made in a way that strictly follows the best standards for making things. There are clear instructions on how to fix a flat tire so that anyone can do it quickly and correctly. This repair kit is packaged in an easy-to-carry bag that is small enough to keep in your car in case of a roadside emergency. Number 5. CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit. If you are searching for a compact tire repair kit, then this selection from CKAuto is ideal for you. Despite its modest size, the CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit is a solid option in the cheap market because it is universally compatible and includes all the necessary components for its job. Components of the CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit are fabricated from high-strength zinc alloy to ensure durability. The CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit is compatible with a variety of automotive models. The CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit comes with a bag instead of a carrying case, making it much easier to organize the components. The CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit consists of T-handle insertion tool X1, insertion tool replacement X1, T-handle probe spiral X1, and other items to meet all of your tire repair needs. Its T-handle tools are built from a high-strength, rust-resistant zinc alloy, can readily penetrate the plugs, and complete the repair work fast. Tire repair strips made from the highest quality natural rubber have watertight packaging and superior resistance to aging. It repairs punctures in all tubeless tires without removing the tire from the rim, and the comprehensive instructions ensure that anybody can fix a flat tire in a timely manner. It ensures professional repair without requiring specialized knowledge. Airtight plastic bag design for tire plugs may maximize the service life of the strips, making it ideal for automobile emergency supplies.